Welcome to Highway 30. I'm Amy.
And I'm Sara, and we're here to help you get creative.
Today we have some inspiration for your holiday tablescape this year. Enjoy as you watch me create my table for Thanksgiving, which will last through the holiday season. Maybe it's because I was a little behind on the buffalo check craze, but I still love the pattern, and I'm a big fan of keeping things around if I like them, no matter what the trends are. So I say let's keep buffalo check around for a while. I do usually add a white tablecloth for my holiday table, but this year I decided to skip it. I love my farmhouse table so much, and I wanted the wood to show. Just a simple fold on the napkins and tie it up with some ribbon. More buffalo check, of course. For the centerpiece, I'm going to start with a couple of items that Mom got me from the latest Hobby Lobby sale. I got lucky there. The tray and beads were both already 75% off, I think, because they happened to be in the fall section. I harvested these huge pine cones from some old Christmas decor and stuff a few picks of lamb's ear and boxwood that I picked up from Walmart. I didn't spend a dime on this, thanks to Mom and my habit of hoarding crafts and decor. Now let's put it all together. We hope you had a wonderful Thanksgiving and continue to have a wonderful holiday season. We're so glad that you joined us today to see this transformation. We hope you enjoyed watching us, and if this inspires you to create something similar, let us know in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. And while you're there, please click on the like button and subscribe if you haven't already. We'll see you next week.